Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to start painting some fall color. And today I'm going to use just one brush. And let's get started. I'm going to start with the tree branches. I've got a message asking me about how to paint tree branches naturally. Basically, not too straight. So I'm going to talk a bit about it in this video. If you're not painting straight and strong stems like the bamboos, you would want to make it curve nicely. And the key is to make some turns. So you'll have to stop and turn and change the angle a little bit. The other way is to add some dotted moss, like just what I did, and just get some darker ink to paint on the very smooth and straight line to break the straightness. Now I'm getting some orange and a red color to paint the maple leaves. And I really like the fall seasons when the nature changes the color. Now I'm adding a large trunk of birch tree at the background. I really like the beautiful light color bark and bright yellow-orange fall foliage. I've never seen any artist painted this type of trees before, so I just found my way to paint the white color. So this is not a traditional Chinese painting technique. It is my own technique. Unlike the Western watercolor or acrylic, we don't tend to use as much white color. We simply leave a lot of blank space if it's white. There are some white pigments in traditional Chinese painting, but we just don't use it for a large area. Now I'm adding a couple of birds perching on the tree branches. The chests are a mix of the yellow, orange, and red tone, and then the back and the rest of the birds are in just ink, black. I have only used 3 colors and the ink for this painting, the yellow, orange, and red, which are the prime colors that I always use. In addition to the orange and red tone, I'm adding another layer of the color, which is slightly lighter and yellowish, to make it more dynamic. This is my first attempt to paint this birch tree, and I'll continue to develop. Please stay tuned if you're interested in seeing this type of content. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I will see you next time.